Hey, what's up, everyone? My name is Miguel. For today, I want to talk about the ambition that I have with my YouTube channel. Now, one of my biggest passions in life has always been education. I've been educating people in diverse things, such as sports and science, for over a decade now. Back when ChatGPT was released in November 2022, I knew that generative AI was going to be something big. I had studied generative AI, well, artificial intelligence, back in my years as a physicist. Now, when that happened, I immediately switched. I knew that I wanted to educate people on this subject, and I became a generative AI change manager at Schneider Electric, a company doing about 40 billion euros in revenue right now. Within there, I was with a team of three, running seminars, webinars, educating people with workshops, C level executives, students, apprentices, everyone. I knew that that was what I wanted to do, and I wanted to bring that to scale. And that is why I started helping more and more businesses start to integrate AI, upskill people. Right now, that's what I do for a living. And I decided to create this YouTube channel because I want to take part in this whole change that is going to be happen. Frankly speaking, back 3 years ago, I would never imagine that creating something like this website right here uh, would be possible within one single prompt that was created with Fable 5 when we still had it. And I think that the level of geniuses that we will have in the near future, thanks to technologies like these, will be absolutely massive. Frankly speaking, we don't know where we're going because we've never been there. But I do feel that humans have a tendency to use AI for good, well, technology for good, and change in general is just always painful. I saw a video of a guy lately on how he used AI to plan out an entire system to help his mom with Alzheimer. So he created systems to always check up on her and such. And it made me realize we will always have more problems than we have solutions. And right now, thanks to generative AI, we're going to be able to tackle a lot more many problems which were not profitable before, simply because people realize that this technology gives them access to so much knowledge. Now, each and every single day, I'm going to be posting a video either on my perspective on the future, thanks to generative AI, and the things that I'm working on. So, all of my projects, whether it's physics related, education related, business related, I will be posting and sharing my thoughts in here. This is day number 14 or 15 of pushing out a video daily. And I hope that you follow along. I'm here to say, see you on the next one tomorrow.